I've gone through your findings from Tarsonis and the attack on Tyrador IX. They're compelling, but I can't take action against the Defenders of Man until we know who is leading them.
I agree. And that's why I have this.
Terrazine? You've seen what it does to people, the hallucinations, insanity.
And yet, there is nothing more effective for memory restoration.
He's right. It's the only option we have.
Do what you have to do.
The protests are intensifying. You need to evacuate immediately.
So be it. I will not have violence outside the palace. Nova, report back soon. And be careful.
Seems like he could take his own advice.
Oh, he won't. But as for the terrazine, I can make the process safer by administering it to you in microdoses. It will take longer to restore all of your memories, but the chances of a psychotic episode are greatly reduced.
No psychotic episodes. You've convinced me. Let's get started.
Try to remember everything you see.
Medical scans complete. Well done, Nova. You're ready for this.
Thanks. The Defenders of Man have already done so much for the Dominion. I'm glad I was sent here to help out.
The Admiral wasn't lying when he said we'd be working with the best soldiers under his command. Your visor should have the latest briefing.
Oh, I've been meaning to tell you. It's been acting up lately.
Don't worry, we'll update the software when you get back. Good luck out there.
Are you all right?
I know where they sent me on my last mission. It's not much, but it might lead to something more. This is it, Rigel. I remember being in that city.
Antigua Prime fell victim to one of the Zerg's first attacks. It was all over the news. But there was no word of the Defenders of Man being involved.
We need to find out what really happened here. The Defenders had these coordinates in my mission file. I can't remember the rest. I'll have to investigate each location to gather evidence and piece together what happened.
Very well. We can establish our base here. You'll just need to clear the infestation first.
That I can do. Let's get moving.
An organized protest is underway outside of Emperor Valerian's palace on Core Hall. The crowd is restless, and local security forces have prepared for the possibility of violence. The Defenders of Man have pledged their support to these protesters, alleging that the Emperor is no longer fit to remain in power and must be removed by any means necessary. The Emperor himself has evacuated the premises. We have not yet received a comment from his administration.
We'll need to clear this area for our base. Unfortunately, there are still infestors lingering here.
Not for long.
Excellent. That blast destroyed the Zerg's only infestation pit, so they won't be able to spawn any additional investors.
Track anything that looks like an advanced structure. I need to limit the number of powerful Zerg I'm facing.
Of course. I'll let you know when you approach one.
Nate. All right, time to search those coordinates for evidence.
Got freedom? We read you. As you say. How can we help?
I'm ready.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Sure thing. Go ahead. Ah!
Status report.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
See? Confirm that last. Consider it done.
Add-on complete.
Executing. Nova here.
Bad news. SCV ready. I can't build here. What's going on?
Nova here. Loud and clear. Acknowledged. There are still Zerg here. It isn't safe to search the area until they're gone. En route. This is the first location, Rigel. My memories are faint, so I'm going to take another dose of terrazine to fill them in.
I'll be standing by.
As stated in your mission files, this planet is considered a high-risk target for the Zerg. We don't want to raise alarm, but we have developed new security equipment that can incapacitate Zerg in the event of an invasion. You need to set it up quietly. Then we'll be able to keep everyone safe when the time comes.
Understood. The first site is ready for activation, Maxwell.
Good. Now you need to calibrate the equipment to defend against one of the Zerg species.
All right. We're ready to proceed to the next area.
I'll make it happen.
SCV ready.
I was supposed to be securing this place against the Zerg.
It doesn't seem to have worked. You are near the only baneling nests in the area, however.
Really? I'll destroy them. Then we'll be rid of those creatures. Status report.
Need something liberal?
Nova.
Big job. Bad news. Yep. SCV ready.
Ah. Confirm that.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Insufficient Vespine gas.
Nope.
Go ahead. SCV ready.
En route.
You got it. In the rear with the gear. Ah! You scared me. SCV ready.
My scanners reveal Zerg forces rushing in from our right side.
I'll get my defenses in place right away.
Big job.
Status report.
Additional supply depots required.
What's so? What's going on? Will do.
Confirm that last.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. rear with the gear. Gotcha. Yep.
Not enough minerals.
Say again?
State your request immediately.
Status report. I'm reading you.
SCV ready.
Need something liberated? Initiating. Flight plan is locked.
SCV ready.
Attention! Of course.
Confirm that last.
Go, go, go!
No. Status.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Nova here. On the move. Say again?
Not enough minerals.
Confirm that last.
SCV ready.
Executing.
Nuclear
Want a piece of me, boy?
Time to clean him out.
SCV ready.
Got it. I'm reading you.
What's our target? Bad news. SCV ready. I can't build here.
Nova here.
Insufficient.
Ready to roll out.
Say again?
SCV ready.
Loud and clear.
Surprisingly, the city's rail lines are still functional in this quarter, but the exits are blocked by creep. If you clear it out, it will be easier for you to travel throughout the city. More Zerg are moving to strike our base. They're coming from the top side this time.
Need something blown up.
Status report.
Ready to roll out.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
This better be good.
Scanning back.
Nova.
Give us your best shot.
Confirm that last.
Speak up. What's that?
Say again?
Go ahead. Rolling out.
Nuclear missile ready.
I'm reading you. On the move.
Armed and ready.
Painting the target. Nova here.
You won't see any additional Baneling spawns now.
Yeah.
Status report.
Fueled up, ready to go.
I'll make it happen.
Want a piece of me, boy?
Say again? Consider it done.
Give us your best shot. Need something?
Confirm that last. Loud and clear. Nova here.
Lay it on me.
I'm taking more terrazine. Keep an eye on things, Rigel.
Certainly. Hopefully you will reveal something more significant this time.
Didn't the Dominion brass say that the feral Zerg attacks weren't a threat now? I wonder what changed.
Must be something big. Takes a lot of time and money to make security equipment like this.
If it works like Maxwell says, this tech could be a big help to us out in the field. Why hasn't anyone told us about it?
Could be an oversight. Could be they're lying to us. Either way, I don't like it.
I need to know more. Something seems off about all of this. En route.
What's that?
Stone. I still don't know what happened to him. I hope he made it out of Sharpsburg.
You are the only missing ghost who has reported back to the Dominion.
That doesn't mean he's gone.
What's our target?
Nova here.
Well done. The subway exit is clear, and the trains can be safely operated. Their cargo car should be large enough to transport siege tanks and other oversized vehicles.
SCV ready.
Say again? Consider it done. I'm reading.
SCV ready.
The Zerg are approaching on both sides of our base.
Status report. Loud and clear. Strictly business.
Got no patience for sitting around.
Huh? Yep.
What's our target?
Your forces are under attack.
Gangway, coming through.
Add-on complete.
Speak up.
Nova,
Go ahead. Lay it on me.
say again? Engine screaming.
Need something?
I'm reading you. Acknowledge. Status report. Nova here.
What's that?
Who wants some?
On my way.
Confirm that last. I got my ears on. Yeah? Say again?
What's going on? It's your dime.
Confirm that last. I'm reading.
Nuclear missile.
Go, go, go!
Strictly business. Status report.
Goliath online.
Say again? I'm reading you. I'll make it happen. Receiving. Confirm that last. Status report. En route. Engine screaming. Consider it done. Nova here. I had suspicions about the defenders of man, Rigel. I need to know what happened next.
Any status updates, agents?
We're here at the third site. It's taking a little longer than expected.
Your extraction team is waiting. Move quickly.
We still have to do a sweep on our operations center when we're done with the activations. Our mission backup files are there.
All right. I'm almost finished. Strange. There's some psionic resonance after the activation. What the hell is this? I'm reading you. Acknowledged. Confirm that. I see it now. We weren't defending this world from the Zerg. We used them to destroy it.
The truth can be difficult.
Not as difficult as the defenders' lives will be when I'm done here. Weapons hot. Say again? Consider it done.
I know you're occupied right now, but I am detecting a high-energy plasma reading in these ruins.
Status report. I got...
Systems function.
I'm reading you. Got it. Engine screaming. No problem. Confirm that last. Call it. Yeah? I'm reading you.
Go ahead. What's good?
Mutalisks and Nidus worms are advancing from the right side, Nova.
Assistance required.
Yep. Yeah.
Status report. I got my ears on. Nova here.
Insufficient.
Now you don't have to worry about encountering more lurkers.
Consider it done. Holla back. Receiving. Turbines, engine screaming. Confirm that left. Yeah, loud and clear.
Base is under attack.
Fine. Canned. I'm reading.
Nuclear missile ready.
The Zerg have established a hatchery close to our base.
We could use that space. I'll bring it down. Right. Say again? Status report.
Base is under attack.
Done and done. I got this. Call the ball. Can do. Status report. Time to clean him out. Acknowledge. Loud and clear.
Go ahead, Talcon.
Say again? Engine screaming. I'm running out of chances. I need to find that evidence.
If the defenders are lying to us about working with the Dominion, then they must have someone on the inside.
We can't be sure of anything yet. I'll try to override the equipment security codes after I activate it. I think it's a psi emitter. Just like the Confederacy used years ago.
We have to escape, Nova. I didn't clear the operations center. Our mission files are still there. We can use them to show the Dominion the truth.
Damn it. The emitter's activating.
I thought we understood one another, agents. You disappoint me. Bring them in.
Strictly. I have a lead, Rigel. There's another place I have to go. Loud and clear. I'm reading you. En route.
Huh? Well, butter my...
Yeah? No.
Ah, another subway line is functional, thanks to your efforts.
Holla back. I'm reading you. On the move. Loud. Say again? I got my ear. Status report. Painting the target.
Upgrade complete.
Executing. Haul it back. Confirm that last. Call the ball. This could get messy. Say again?
More Zerg are headed in your direction, Nova.
Yeah? I'm reading you. Consider it. I got my ears on. That's fine. Engaging.
My thanks, Nova. This will greatly assist with my weaponry research.
Nova here. Engine screaming. Loud and clear. Say again? Strictly business. Receiving. Right. Yeah? I got my ears. Call the ball. I'm ready. Call it back. Say again.
Base is under attack.
Execute. Loud and clear. Fine. Inbound. Can do.
Base is under attack. Nuclear missile ready.
Say again? On the move. I got my ears on.
Go ahead, TACOM.
I'm reading. Yeah? Engine screaming. Inbound. Say again? Call the ball.
Upgrade complete.
Executing.
I see you brought the whole subway line up. How industrious.
Strictly business. I'll make it happen. En route. On the move. Bringing out the big gun. Call the ball. Confirm that last.
Upgrade complete.
Executing. Loud and... Say again? Consider it done. Acknowledged. I got my ears on.
Shallow.
Engine screaming. Engaging the enemy. Nova here.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Status report. On the move. That's fine. Say again?
My scanners are showing another Zerg attack force nearby. Be prepared for it.
Got it. Receiving. Confirm that last.
Go ahead.
Status report. Loud and... Yeah? Done and... Nova here.
Nuclear missile ready.
Bringing out the big guns. I got my ears on. Engine screaming. I'm reading.
Base is under attack.
On route. I got my ears on. Say again? Receiving. I'm reading. Haul it back. Call the ball. I got this.
Base is under attack.
Status report. I got my ears on. Done and done. Confirm that last. Receiving. I'm reading you. Haul it back. Nova here. Call the ball. Status
Nuclear
report.
missile ready.
Aim the target. Engine screaming. Say again?
Mayday! Mayday!
Receiving. No, I got my ears on. Weapons hot. They're here. The mission backup files.
Then I suppose we should be going.
There's one more thing. I can almost remember it. I'm going to use the rest of that terrazine now.
Move!
There's no need for this, Nova. What you did was necessary. All of it.
You bastard.
The General is on her way.
She saw too much. I don't know how we can restore her cooperation. Unless...
I see. Wipe her memories. We'll begin re-education.
Contact Valerian. We need to talk.
The Emperor and his aides have been denied. General Davis has offered to speak with us again.
What is it, Nova?
I know what they did. They lied to me and used me to kill people. Innocent people. For their damn cause. General Davis is leading them.
Davis? She's always been loyal to my family.
Your family, not you. As long as she's out there, more civilians will die. I can't let her live.
No. People are calling for me to step down, and I will not see her become a martyr. I need to handle this the right way.
And if more people die while we wait, that's nothing to you?
Of course not. Despite what you've been through, this isn't your decision, Nova. Much is at stake. I have a plan, and I trust you will follow your part in it.
Understood.
General Carolina Davis. This is Valerian Mengsk. I wish to step down as Emperor of the Dominion.